This is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. Today we have a traditional, delicious recipe for you.
This is the Chinese porridge known as congee, also known as juk, a traditional comfort food for any time of the day.
You soak the rice overnight. We have about 2 cups of rice here. We soaked it overnight. So I'll rinse the rice a few times, and then I'm just going to put this right into the congee. I got this big pot going with 20 cups of water in there. So next step, you're just going to put the rice into the water. So keep in mind when you soak the rice, it's going to expand. Set the heat at medium high. So just bring that to a boil, then we're going to simmer it low to medium for a total of 2 hours. Here you have 3 pieces of ginger. So these are fairly large pieces. It's almost like a finger. So you have 3 of these pieces to go into a pot with 20 cups of water. Then we have the chicken drumsticks we had for dinner yesterday. So this is the dark soy sauce chicken. So we had that for dinner last night. So keep the chicken pieces fairly large. So we're going to add other ingredients like prawns. You can add some ground pork or beef. So this will give it lots of flavor. So the drumsticks, you can actually use the drumsticks to put it into the congee. Give you lots of flavor. A lot of times people use pork bones, or we use turkey carcass. When we have Thanksgiving, we put the turkey carcass in there to get some flavor. So that's a real popular dish that we have for the congee, using the leftover turkey carcass and meat. So check my channel. There's I think there's a video of there's been a few videos of making congee using turkey. So just take off the foam from the surface. So we do this several times. So I'm going to put the ginger in. So it's 3 pieces of ginger. I'm going to put the chicken bones in with some of the sauce still there. And I'm going to put the chicken meat from the 4 drumsticks. So I'm going to put a pair of chopsticks here, and then you put the lid on top. So because it's so full, it might boil over. So the lid, when it's open like that, it prevents it from over boiling. So you can put less congee stock in there, so that way you don't have to worry about over boiling. For this chicken congee, you can add a few prawns in it if you like. I chop up some prawns. Cilantro is a good topping for a congee. You can add some green onions.
The congee has been simmering for 2 hours at low to medium heat. So just before serving, add the prawns, cilantro, and green onions. There you have it, a big bowl of comfort food called congee. Tell me what your favorite toppings are. Enjoy.